What is going on, guys? It's Lionsberry, and welcome to episode 6 of the FG1 build series. Today we'll be switching out our transmission mount. As a lot of you guys know, a while back I changed out 2 out of my 3 engine mounts, and unfortunately I didn't film that because I didn't have a camera, but I'm going to try to film some of that today. I had some other opportunities to film some stuff with our buddy Gabe, if you guys know. Gabe Ray has 13 plug his Instagram right here. Changing out his thermostat head gasket. That still is a process, but first of all I want to say shout out to my sponsors, or this build sponsors, Sticker Boost and Devotees.com. If you go in the description below, you can click, or you can use my 15% off discount code OneLowFG1Trey. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. All links will be in the description below, and hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so right off the bat, first thing you want to do is take out your battery or remove it to the side. I just completely removed mine, and then currently it's sitting on top of my air filter. I just popped the cap off. Right now I'm taking out the PCM, which our transmission mount is right here. Taking out the PCM just to give myself a tiny bit more room in the engine bay, or on this side of the engine bay, to actually get to it. This is held in with 4 10 millimeter bolts, pretty sure. So one on the left right here, one down here, one up here, and I think there's one on the back, if I'm positive. Took off that one. I think you took off the last one. It was positive.
Yeah. Flip it up like you said. Push it all the way back. That water come off once you get back. Lean it. Take a lean it across it like that. So long as you can get to those screws. Take 10 millimeters off this bracket. Put another one back in.
People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Say congratulations.
Alright guys, so once you use your brake bar like I did to loosen the 14 mils right here that are actually holding it in the transmission, move the PCM out of the way. This is a lot easier than what I am, but I'm trying not to take out the fuse box. So this third bolt to the... Okay, update guys, we ran into a hiccup of not having a deep enough socket. The socket that we do have that's deep is not the correct size, so we're gonna go get an adapter for the breaker bar. Right now, I'm just run you guys back to what you gotta do up to this point where I'm at. Remove the battery, which is a necessity. Just move the battery, move it over to the side. Once you unhook it, you're gonna take out your PCM, which goes on this bracket, which is mounted here. I just turned it out of the way. I'm hoping I didn't bend it. Now you're gonna have, this comes off with 2 14 mils, I think it is. 2 14 mils, the battery's 2 10 mils. This is your fuse box. You could pop this out of place if you want to take all this out, but there's another bolt back here. I didn't want to take that out. But we have 2 17s, I think it is, right here for the top part of the transmission mount, and then the cross with the cone nuts is right there. Okay, so right here for these 2, I don't know what you call them, I'm gonna call it awkward cone nuts. It's a 17 mil, or no, yeah, 17. You're gonna need a half-inch adapter, or a half-inch adapter, or a 17 with a half-inch end on it, and take off these 3 bolts. And then after that, you just take these 2 bottoms that are here, which should be also 17, and the transmission mount comes out completely. And here's my replacement one, which is a Duralast one, which is part number 9216. If you guys want to go pick those up. And next step after that is put your jack under your transmission to actually hold that up, because once you take these bolts out, your transmission is going to fall down like this the hard way whenever I changed out my butter mounts, and the engine actually fell down a little bit. So I'm going to go switch out the battery on this GoPro, and whenever my dad gets back with the adapter, I'll continue this. Okay, now you're going to take off these 5 17 mils, and make sure you put the jack under the transmission, because once you move these nuts and possibly pull the bolts out, it will drop down, because it will only be connected to the frame rail. So looks like this how to just all come out, like so. Put this other bolt on the side and bring it over to the trash can. Here, actually transmission mounts. 35. So as you see, of course, right off the bat, you can see this is completely ripped out, which is not good. It tore itself at the base, which is failure. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This is what mine looks like, and then that's pretty much it. So everything's removed. I'm gonna vacuum this out, clean this out a little bit for my own purposes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spray these hoses with WD-40, as I'm almost running out. Yeah, I'm out of that can, I think. Or is this can just screwed up? Okay, no, we're good. Alright guys, so now we have the new mount on. We're just gonna torque this down to, I don't know exactly how many foot-pounds until I just can't do it myself. I'm not gonna strip it, but you know, just tight enough to where nothing moves around and falls off. And then basically okay, everything is back together. Batteries in, battery boxes in, computer, everything's set back up. So we're gonna close the hood, we're gonna start her up and see how this goes. And that is it, everyone. Now that we have changed out our transmission mount, all our gear changes are perfectly fine. The car doesn't violently shake, so that's park, reverse, neutral, drive, etc. Everything perfectly fine, not vibrating out of its mind. But that'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitch, and Twitter. All my links will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys in episode 7. Peace.